Oh yeah, I'm back with a vengeance. Back, people, back again. All right, but in today's episode, we're going to be learning about a super fast, high-speed charger and awesome USB-C charging cable from AOHI. Oh, that's right. So we are reviewing some more AOHI products again, just in time for you guys to get out there, get some sweet swag, get some awesome deals, and all that information will be in the description below. But let's get to it in this episode of Good Tech Cheap. Hey everybody, what is up? I am today's host of Good Tech Cheap, Matthew, and today we're going to be reviewing some products from AOHI or AOHI. They spell it a couple of different ways, AOHAI or AOHI, right? But either way, it is amazing products. But let's dive into a little bit of the brand history. AOHI is the newly established smart brand for AOHI technology. AOHI was founded in 2004 and was the first company to announce an IPO in the charging industry in 2020. They actually have a stock code for this, 002993, 002993. After 17 years of charging research and development, AOHI has manufacturing bases in China, India, and Indonesia, with a workforce of over 5,000 people worldwide, and they serve consumers in more than 100 different countries. AOHI has a professional R&D team with more than 300 engineers and gains at 267 patents. AOHI works with many global famous brands and is their core charging partner. That's right, if you've ever got a charger from like Amazon or Google or AOHI or anything like that, it's probably AOHI technology. I'm talking Belkin, Vivo, PPO, DJI, Asus, Nokia, and more. AOHI has nearly 15% of worldwide sales in chargers. They're like everywhere because they're amazing. But enough about the brand, let's talk about the product. It is 60% smaller than most Apple chargers. This thing, like I said, is super tiny. It's like the size of like a little table tennis ball or something. We're gonna dive in and we're gonna look at all these products. So while I talk about it, I'm gonna be showing you the products and what's inside the boxes and how it works, but you're gonna get an idea that, again, this thing is super cost effective and super small, so easy to travel with and works for pretty much everything.
Very nice, everybody. Check out this. Not only does it come with the power brick here, but it also comes with a USB-C cable. So they do make other kinds of cables, right? Which we're going to be showing you in this video here. But this is USB-C to USB-C right here, directly from the company. High quality. Look at that multi-threading cable right there. Very nice. High quality. Looks like a little metal right here. Look at that. That's some long life thinking ahead. Right here is the lightning cable. Let's see if we can get this out with one hand. But look at that, same quality there, right? So nothing to worry about when it comes to this kind of stuff. You're gonna be able to get that, again, very high quality metal finish on the ends there to increase that lifespan. But also look at that, got a lightning cable here. So no matter if you're an iPad person or an iPod person, pretty much got what you're looking for. But why don't we take a look at the device itself? Look at this. Look at this, people. 65 watts of power right here. Super tiny. I might not have the biggest hands in the world, but I mean, you know, look. This thing is super small in my hand. Very tiny device. Look at that awesome grill there. Here's your light right here where we'll be able to go over the amber and the green and the blue light.
So first off, the 65 watt charger here is fantastic. It's 65 watts of high speed charging. If you know anything about chargers and other devices, you know that typically they can go anywhere from like 5 watts to like 20, 15 watts. and those used to be good. Now we got 65-watt high-speed chargers. And did I mention this thing is super small? It's like the size of a golf ball or smaller than a golf ball. This thing is tiny. To be pumping out so much energy, this is a super small device. It's compatible with most equipment, so one device pretty much catches it all. I'm talking iPads and tablets and iPhones and Samsung devices and Android devices and MacBook Airs and stuff. You can literally charge a laptop with this thing. It supports PD 2.0, PD 3.0, QC 2.0, QC 3.0, QC 4.0 plus Apple 2.4, BC 1.2 charging protocols. It pretty much covers everything. It has so many different protocols built into it that if you have a device, it'll probably charge it and not explode it. So that's good, I would say. The Apple 61-watt charger is almost $70, unless you're lucky, right? This thing's gonna be $50 or less on average. So again, you're gonna save money and get faster speeds. You can fully charge a MacBook Pro 13 in 1.5 hours from like nothing. You can charge your iPhone 12 to like 60% in 30 minutes or less. That's 4 times faster than the Apple 5-watt charger. Again, like I said, most chargers are not this fast. You've got to pay money to usually get something like this. This is like something that this doesn't come out of the box for most technology that you're gonna be buying. It also has a real-time power display on it. So it does have a little LCD like screen or LED screen on it, and the light does change depending on what you are charging. It's got a 3-stage safe fast charging protocol on it. So that's anti-overcharge to protect the battery, and the indicator lights that come equipped with the charger to kind of show you what's going on. So when the light is amber breathing, it's got fast charging status. When it's a solid blue light, it's standard charging status. When it's solid green, it's trickle charging status. All of this is built in to protect you from exploding yourself or burning your house down. Pretty smart to me. It has the same chip as Apple with the GaN or GaN technology built into it. So again, super smart. It comes with a chipset from Power Integration, which is Apple's original charger supplier. It's equipped though with the newest GaN material. It makes it smaller but more efficient, up to 92%. And it generates lower heat. So again, it's smart. The Magcube has a stunning surface. I mean, this thing is stylish. Not only is it small, it's pretty sweet to look at. It's just like got a grill on it so that it looks like it's breathing in air and stuff, and it might be. It might actually be. So, I mean, not only is it gonna look cool and look stylish, it's gonna charge everything super fast. Precision carved diamond vein design. There's also an extra metallic port to ensure a longer lifespan. But let's dive into some specifications on this thing. The model is the AOC-C00-4US-65-watt-VK/C. Its size is about 1.61 by 1.65 by 1.44 inches. So again, this thing's tiny. The inputs are an AC 110 to 240 volt, 50 to 60 hertz at 1.5 amps. The output is DC power at 5 volts 3 amps, or 9 volts 3 amps, 12 volts 3 amps, 15 volts 3 amps, 20 volts 3.25 amps. This thing generates some power. And then I mentioned that it only weighs like 0.3 pounds, doesn't even weigh a pound. Not only is this thing powerful and small, it doesn't weigh anything. It's great. It's smart. But we're gonna put all the information in the description below for you guys to learn more about AOHI and kind of their company and what all they've been developing, and just add to that nearly 15% global domination, right? So they make amazing products. The Magcube is super smart, definitely worth the price. It handles pretty much all your devices, and their cables are very sturdy. So let us know what you thought. No matter where you're watching this video, let us know, or Google them, look them up, right? And again, thanks for watching, guys. So happy holidays to everybody. Again, this has been Matthew. Thank you guys for watching Good Tech Cheap, and I'll see you guys in the next review.
I'm not a bird.